my gosh. You look so beautiful.
So long as you both cello.
I do.
I do. I present to you Mr. and Mrs. Lee.
Suriya, I'm so grateful to have you by my side, and I cannot wait to build our lives together. So let us celebrate this special day, because all we have is now. I love you very much.
I vow to love, cherish, and honor you with every fiber of my being for the rest of my life. I love you so, so much, more than anything in this world, and I can't wait to start our lives together and start making baby Lees. Love you.
种些到说心机，一种捏种鸡，种古种地，种宁种渣，种碰种ยืต้านทอชเดอว่าโจในตัวเชาเชียเราตุนไซซิริยาเทียตุตูบรูซวังเกอตลอชิโชวลุนในโอเก
I've been searching my whole life for you. Never knowing where it lead me to. You brought me to a place I never knew. For the first time I can finally see that every path has led me straight to I jump back into every memory. Do it all again together, you and me. There's nowhere else that I would rather be. 'Cause every path has led me straight to
My favorite sushi. I went.
Oh, Suriya win.
Hun, my love, my everything, my no longer Thukashia. I'm so overwhelmed right now with happiness, love, and gratitude. I still find it unbelievable that we were able to find each other and were able to turn a beautiful friendship into the sweetest love story.
Sweetie. Oh my gosh. You look so beautiful. I'm crying. I'm crying. You look like a Cinderella.
I honestly don't know what I could have done to be so lucky to have you in my life. You make me the happiest person in the world, and each and every day, I just love you more
Wow.
than the day before.
I'm so lucky, you guys.
For a long time, you have not had a place to call home. So, hon, from now on, I will be your home. I will be the comfort you need. after a long day, and I will be the light to guide you when you feel lost. I vow to be your biggest advocate, to always believe in you, and to never give up on you or on us. I vow to love, cherish, and honor you with every fiber of my being for the rest of my life.
When beginnings end, and when time stands still, we'll begin again. I know we will.
By the authority vested in me by the state of Wisconsin, I now pronounce you husband and wife. You may now kiss the bride.
Suriya, my sweetheart, love is a choice, and I choose to love you each and every day. To be your husband and best friend is the greatest honor of my life.
When the fire burns out, when the music fades, I know you and I will make a way. Through the darkest days, through the seasons change, I wanna love you right. I wanna love you right. I wanna love you right. I wanna love you and I'm falling